Everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to send crypto from Binance to Revolut. Since you're sending crypto from Binance to Revolut, so you'll require a wallet address from the receiver. So the receiver is Revolut. So now what you have to do is open up your Revolut application and then log into your account. Once logged in, at the bottom of the page, you could find this option as Hub. You just go ahead and press that option. When you press on it, it's going to take you to this sort of page where you want to go ahead and click the Receive tab from the top. As you click on the Receive tab, you could find out the wallet address. Now copy the wallet address and exit out of your Revolut account and log into your Binance. Once logged into your Binance, from the home page at the bottom of the page, you could see wallet icon. Press that. As you click on wallet here, you want to go to spot. As soon as you click on spot, click on withdraw. As you click on withdraw, you want to select whether you want to do it by crypto network or send through an email ID or phone number. Since you want to go with the crypto network, click on that. And next thing you want to do is enter in the wallet address that you've recently copied, network, amount, and all of these. Once done, enter in exact everything and click on the withdraw button and confirm the withdrawal. So this way you should be able to send crypto from Binance to Revolut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.